What is going on, my good people of YouTube and fellow sneakerheads, and welcome back to another video review of the New Balance 550. Now today we're going to be getting into the colorway, which is the cream and black. We're going to start off with the materials of this shoe, and I'm not going to lie to you, New Balance knocked it out of the park yet again with the materials. This leather quality is pretty much the same as the Rich Pulls and the aime dores that come out not too long ago. The leather quality is really soft to the touch. It's just incredible at the end of the day. I mean, just look at that. Just when I press it here, it just creases so good. So all around this shoe is pretty much just got that same leather material going around. And when it comes to the end logo, it's got like that basketball material, which is a nice little detail they've added, seeing as this is a very 80s shoe. I think it's the 80s anyway. Please don't quote me and rinse me in the comments if anyone does comment. I'm not gonna lie, they've done well with this. They've done well with the materials on the side of things. So the materials, definitely gonna give it like a 5 out of 5 when it comes to that. So yeah, they've really done their job on this. The only thing I really am annoyed with is that they didn't do this for the UNC colorway and the Syracuse colorway that come out, I think it was a few months ago. If they had the materials on that, what they do on here, that would have been my summer shoe. The UNC would have been my summer shoe. It's just the materials on that shoe, it's a bit stiff. It's like that pleather you get on most shoes, and it just didn't really feel comfortable on my foot. Right, now let's get on to the fit. The fit of these shoes pretty much fit like any other 550 that I have in my collection. These are once again a 9.5 UK, 10 US, but you can probably get away with half a size up if you have got a wider foot like myself. When it comes to sizing, I'd say definitely go true to size and just make sure that you can try them on in the shop before you actually buy them, like if you can. But if you can't, just try any New Balance 550 in the shop. I'm pretty sure they've got them in stock somewhere. So just try a 550 out and just make sure you get the right size that fits you. Now, when it comes to the price of these, I paid £110. So I'm not gonna lie, the price point, bang on. I would have paid more for these if I actually had to. Say if they were 120, 130, I would have happily paid the price for it, just because of the materials. Right guys, so that's all done. You heard enough of me waffling, so I'm just gonna throw these on feet quickly. I've gone over the materials, I've gone over the price point, and I've gone over the sizing, so hopefully you enjoy the rest of the video. And subscribe if you do like the rest of this video, and please hit that like button because it will help the channel out a lot. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.